can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back.
I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Reactor 92. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to swap out a stock Scat Pack charger, rear diffuser, for the updated ones they have out now. Well, it's not really updated, but it's the alternate one that gives the back of the car a very aggressive, cool look, and it looks like a factory look as well. Whereas you can see, this is the factory look, and it just makes the sedans look a lot sportier. I'm going to show you guys the rear diffuser in a second, and we're going to get to changing this out. You're going to see, you can see the car is not jacked up. You can do it on the ground. You just need a pry tool, which you need to be careful with when getting in between this and the paint right here. So be careful when you use it against the paint. If you want, they have plastic ones as well, but the metal one is just, it makes sense. It's easier to maneuver the plastic because this doesn't bend as the plastic ones do, and it gets kind of harder. And if you're not careful, you can scratch your paint with that one as well. Here is the new diffuser. See the ribs in the back? It gives it a sportier look as opposed to no ribs in the back. So I'm going to speed this part up as I take out the bolts under here. You have a retaining pin on the very corner of the stock diffuser. It goes in the same spot on the aftermarket diffuser. I'll put a link in the description where I got this particular diffuser from for an amazing price. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 small bolts that you have to take out. I believe it is 7. Yeah, it's a 7. So I'm gonna speed this up.
It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't hold my shoulders to crack. It can't hold me back.
Alright guys, so as you can see, the new rear diffuser is in. For a second, I had to use one of the screws that came with the rear diffuser kit itself to go on one of the OEM holes. I did use all the other OEM bolts to put it back on, and I'll give you guys a quick full angle view of the rear diffuser so you can see how it looks. Complete fit. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that, though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!